Hello, I'm Rajdeep Devnath, and I have created an alarm clock project using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now let me explain the code. Starting with the HTML file index.html, this file contains the structural layout of the entire project, where I have used different tags like this h2 span, div labels, input button, and also I have used audio in this. So I have tried to provide proper IDs and classes to help write logics and design good CSS with this. So now moving to the CSS part, I have mainly used display as flex, background image and font styling to create a simple and creative output screen. I have also focused on using proper margin and border and also height of different containers. So now let's look into the logic part, this script.js. Here, all the buttons works on the logic from the function, which is add event listener, which makes them work simultaneously. This is add event listener. Also, I have stored all the tags and IDs into variables, separate variables, and then focused on showing the current time, which updates every second. Also, I have used this function pad number, which selects and shows the time zone in 24 hours format, and set the alarm function to include the set button value true, and the other snooze and stop button values false. Additionally, I added an alarm audio. This is invoked after the current time reaches the set alarm time. Similarly, this snooze alarm function works by invoking after uh, a few seconds, which is currently set to 60 seconds. For demonstration purpose, I have set it to 20 seconds, which is here. So when we pause the alarm, after this, I have used set interval for setting the snooze button. The stop function works in a way so that if the alarm is succeeded in waking up the person, then they can directly click on the stop button to terminate the whole process. So after all of this, the whole process updates and resets to the current time. So now moving on to the live server. So this is the simple and clean look of my project. So in this, as you can see, current time is fetching from the system directly. From this set alarm, okay, so now we'll set the alarm. So as of now, time is 1 7. So we will set the alarm for this time only. So we'll set alarm for 1 8. Okay. So now we have set the alarm for 1 8. So as you can see, after setting the alarm, this set alarm button is disabled, and stop alarm and snooze alarm buttons are working fine. So we can click both of these buttons so to check their functionality, but we have to wait for the alarm to ring. We have to wait for a few more seconds. Let's wait. As you can see, the alarm is working perfectly fine. So now it's time to snooze the alarm. For demonstration purpose, as I have said, I have kept it for 20 seconds. So after clicking this, as you can see, this button is now deactivated. So hopefully after 20 seconds, this alarm rings. Generally, we keep this for 60 seconds, but we have kept it for 20 seconds. So let's wait for a few more seconds. So now only stop alarm button is active. As you can see, snooze alarm is also working perfectly fine. We can click this again to work again. But if the person is woke up perfectly, then we can use the stop alarm button, and it terminates the whole process. Yeah, so this was my project. Hope you like it. Thank you.